Nottiled, Tutorial Part 1, by Black Label Apps. How download template. Press in menu button. Later on, new file. Change the width and height of the map to your liking. Remember that the maximum is 1000 height and 1000 width. Don't change anything else, then press in, OK. Now in, download new templates. Select, Rusted Warfare v3, after in, download. After go, and, back. Now press in, Rusted Warfare, v3, and OK. Apply. Do this from time to time, because the template constantly receives updates. Press on menu. New file. Change map width and height and, OK. RWV3, and OK. Apply. Press once to quickly save the map. Press and hold the button again to activate or deactivate the autosave option. This button shows the layers. They are sheets. In these the corresponding tiles must go. Later I will explain what tiles must be in these layers. This is the main button and it shows us which tile we currently have selected. We also have 6 other buttons that will be filled automatically. These are used to reuse tiles that we have used previously. If you hold down the main button, you can hide or show the 6 secondary buttons that I just pointed out. This button is used to change the function, I mean to be able to change between automatic mode and manual mode. The manual mode is actually called tile, which is used to choose a single tile or to select a part of the tiles and put it on the map. The automatic mode is actually called auto tile, which is used to be able to paint on the map more quickly. Here appears the name of the set of tiles that you see on the screen. These buttons are used to view the other tile packages. This button is used to delete the package of tiles you see. We recommend that you do not press this button. This button is used to add new tile packages. When you press it, the File Explorer will appear and it will ask you to select the PNG image that you will use. You must use an image that has 20 by 20 pixels. This would be equivalent to 1 tile. After select the image, you must activate the Embed Tile Set option and click on OK. This option is to edit the properties of the tiles. To be able to put a tile in the ground layer, you must see if the tile you have chosen does not have borders or transparent parts, otherwise you will get an error in the game. Also it will only read only the properties it has and will give it one more additional property than it is from the ground. There is no need to put any property, because it already brings them. To be able to put a tile in the units layer, you must see if the one you have chosen, tile set, must have the name export_units. In the units layer you can put any tile except for unit tiles. Remember that in this layer the game will not read it as a floor but will read the properties that it already has set. Now I will explain how to use the brush button. You must select the tile in the corresponding layer, then select the brush button, then press the screen and drag your finger. Now to change the thickness of the brush, you must keep pressing on it to open the dialog. You can only write from 1 to 10, 1 is the smallest size and 10 is the largest size. Auto tiles only work with tiles from their own package. That's why there are auto tiles called copy. First, what you should use is the package, export ground, and paint on the entire canvas. Then you can use the copy tiles from other packages, to paint inside the other tiles of, export ground, which have the same name, and then you can only use the auto tile inside what you have painted with the other auto tile pockets package that you have chosen, but if you paint an auto tile inside from another auto tile package will not recognize them. Now to finish, press the button. Picker selects any tile that is of the same type. in this case we are using grass, so press a grass tile and then use the fill tool on the copy grass tiles to match everything, and that's it.